At yun mga pangad, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi, kung anong oras yung mga ito napapanood mga pangad. Siyempre, kaka-outro lang natin, siyempre, intro na naman. So yung mga pangad, siyempre, ito yung continue mga pangad yung napanood yung nakaraang vlog mga pangad. So ngayon, may complaint tayo mga pangad sa kitchen. Siyempre, tulungan mo natin si Master Rul bago siya umuwi. Kaya, let's go! HVAC technician number 1 from Adagio. Hoho.
See? Less.
Less charge. Ang gas niya mga pangat is 404A. Okay. Napalaban yung bagong Adagio uniform natin, no? Ang ginagawa mo, Brad? Yo, talaga naman. Sa mga nagtatanong kung anong ginagamit niya. Ano yan?
PDA.
Yeah! Ayan yung mga task, no? Na ginagawa. Yan. PPM yan, PPM, no? Hindi, ano ngayon? Ramadan kasi Ramadan. Kainan niya ng ano. Kainan ng mga kapalit natin Muslim. Transfer pump. Here we go. Ngayon pa nag-PPM mga pangata sa PDA. Actually, iba yung actual na PPM, iba yung nasa PDA. Kumbaga nagawa na yun eh. Nalinis na yung motor, nalagyan ng grace, mga ganun. Tapos i-close na lang sa PDA yung ginagawa niya. Okay? Mga pangat, umpisa natin ang trabaho. Siyempre, bago tayo magtrabaho mga pangat, mayroon tayong tatanungin. Ayun, nag-review na. Hindi, may mga tanong yung bagong hire ng Innova sa Pilipinas, pupunta rito. Arnel Aducol P513. So, ang tanong is,
Sir, Jirogen, tanong sir, ngayong taon, makakasurvive na ba yung 3,050 AED?
2 months na siya sa Dubai, so nakasahod ka syempre. So, ano sa na-experience mo yung gastusin, yung mga bilihin, yung nagpapadala. Pero same ba kayo ng salary? Tanong ko hindi.
Hindi.
Makakasurvive ba?
Kung dito babasehan, nasa sa kanya, kung paano niya gagastusin, siguro. Kung ano siya, single, pasok na to.
Oo.
Pero kung siguro kung may pamilya, siyempre, may pinapaaral ka pa kunwari, short pa.
Oh,
Siguro kailangan ba't kaasan?
survival talaga. No? Ipon
Bilihin
talaga.
naman, hindi ka naman magsisisi sa bilihin dito eh.
Oh, yung murang
Mura.
ano, yung life.
Yung pang sarili mo lang talaga kung paano mo i-maintain yun. Siyempre, magugutom ka. Gusto mo rin kumain ng
Shawarma.
shawarma.
Kumbaga, talagang panlang talaga. Walang save, kumbaga.
Single ka.
Yung single meron.
Malaki na to kung
Oh, kasi hindi ka naman papadala eh. Siguro, magulang mo lang, magkano lang ang papadala mo, 10K. Pero ang pamilya, syempre, 25, yan, ang pinaka yung papadala mo. So, parang ganun. So, survival mode pa rin siya.
Survival.
Walang subi.
Next question.
So, next question tayo. Yan.
Sir Rogen, tanong lang. Maganda ba sa Innova Company mag-work? Maganda kasi alam mo kung bakit ang kinagandaan sa Innova.
Mo sumagot ha?
Advance ang salary. Kaso ubos agad. Walang delay siya pero ubos agad.
Ano?
Saka
Ano?
depende sa boss. Tapos depende rin sa amo mo.
O, kung saan ka mapupunta, no?
Kung saan ka pupunta. Sa hotel, ako experience ko, di ka naman stress. Kumbaga, stress ka lang sa biyahe mo.
1 hour. Ang layo, no?
1 hour.
Kasi paras kami ng lugar niyan mga pangat eh. Sa Dera. So malayo talaga ito 1 hour. Para sa kanya. Di ako sasagot mga pangat siya na pinapasagot ko. Kasi bago siya, kumbaga, ayun yung na-experience niya. So next, yung Rick Music. Yan.
Ano po yung possible exam tsaka interview as electrician sa Innova? Sir, sa experience mo.
Ito mga nasagot ko na yung tanong na to, pero sasagutin niya yung party naman sa kanya kasi hindi naman siya electrician eh. Siya ay isang kitchen technician. Malay mo magtanong ng kitchen, kaya hanggat nandito siya, sasagutin niya na kung ano yung experience niya yung interview ng kitchen technician, bilang kitchen technician.
Sa akin naman, sa experience ko, kasi yung in-exam ko pang electrician.
Mm.
Pero relative naman dun sa kitchen kasi may electrical din naman sa kitchen. Saka may mechanical. So halo na, may plumbing.
Bago ka na interview, written exam mo.
Written exam. Kailangan maipasa mo muna yung written exam nila. Pero depende sa agency mo.
Depende sa agency kasi ang agency niya nga pala Orange.
Orange.
So,
Orange International.
Yun. Ako ASMAC. So,
ASMAC
magkaiba
siya.
kami ng agency. Meron pang ano yan eh, EuroAsia. May ganun sa actual interview, ano experience mo?
Sa interview naman,
Employer na yan.
employer na yun. Abot naman sa interview, kung ano yung in-applyan mo, yun lang din ang i-interview sa'yo. Kunwari, sa kitchen ako eh. Ang interview lang, umiikot lang dun sa dishwashing, sa oven, saka sa kagaya ng rational oven. Yun, dun lang umiikot. Tapos konting tanong lang kung paano mo malalaman kung ano yung sira. Kunwari, nag-complain sila, hindi umiinit yung microwave ko, kunwari. Siyempre, natatak naman sa isip ko lagi. It's either na capacitor or magnetron. Pero mag-aasawa yan eh. Magnetron, capacitor na with diode na yun.
So, ang ibig sabihin, kailangan alam mo kung paano i-diagnose, parang ganun.
Oo.
Kumbaga, hindi uminit. Basically,
Ano lang yan, basically,
meron ka ng idea dapat.
May idea.
So, yun yung mga tanong sa'yo. So, doon pa lang malalaman na kasi.
Ito, mahirap lang siyempre, mag-English ka. Iba yung English nila islang eh. Siyempre, English ko, barok, pero nagkakaintindihan kami.
Ang importante, nagkakaintindihan. Tsaka yun. Kumbaga, ang importante, nasagot mo yung tanong ko.
Interview naman lagi, dapat think positive lagi.
Yung think positive. Tsaka good vibes, no?
Good vibes.
So yan, sana nasagot niya yung tanong niyo. Sana nakatulong yung sagot niya sa mga tanong niyo, mga pangat, no? At syempre maraming salamat sa paunlak niya. At pauwi na actually, kasi 6 hours lang kami.
6 hours.
So 7 to 2 siya, pauwi na siya, inestorbo ko lang. Yun, hanggang sa muli. Uwi ka na. Sabay ka na nila. So yun mga pangat, may bago pala kaming safety shoes. Tingnan natin yung safety shoes natin. Si Jerome nakakuha kayo ng safety shoes eh. Ngayon titingnan natin. Tsaka si Donaldson nakakuha na.
Oh, 24/7 video, no?
Yes, CCTV, no? Yun, talaga nang binuksan na ang kahadihero. Sharing kami dyan mga pangat eh. Sa kanyang taas, sa kanyang baba. Ayun, si Crocs oh. Shoutout, Crocs. Then yung, ito kasi yung safety shoes namin mga pangat. Yung sa pangkasalukuyan. Ngayon, nagbigay kahit di pa sira oh. Hindi pa naman sira ito eh, di ba? No. Yun oh, talaga namang pet malo. Tingnan mo yung date. Oy, low weight oh. Ang gaang. Ang gaang nga.
Ano siya eh.
Ha?
Pwede siyang pampogi.
Pambogi. Yan oh, so diba? Ang gaang.
Ganun buhay oh.
Ba, ayos ah. Ganda.
Ayos.
Saan ka pa boy? Oo nga no.
Ganda sa paa.
Masarap, malambot.
Lambot.
Satisfy.
Satisfied.
Yan.
Tatak mo ba?
Tayo. Pero titinong ko rin sa akin mamaya mga pangat. Yan. Ayos, quality. Bagong uniform, bagong safety shoes. Pero ito, hindi ko pa rin tinatapon, syempre. Di ba? Pwede pa. Ibay ko niyan, no? Sa'yo. Bago yan, ano sa'yo? Bago pa yan.
Bago pa to.
No? Bagong bago po, mga pangat to. Pero mayroong kapalit. Saan ka pa?
Bago, parang ako, bago lang.
Yan! Siyempre mga pangat, hindi lang yun. Meron pa tayong i-interview mga pangat. Same question din, pero i-convert lang natin sa English mga pangat. So, nosebleed to mga pangat. English pokining. Para siyempre, hindi lang puro Pinoy yung naririnig nyo mga pangat. No? Actually, marami ko ng beses na ginawa ng vlog, ng content yung mga ganyang klaseng tanong. So, ngayon, different nationality naman ang maririnig nyo mga pangat. Let's go! Yeah! You can see. Huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Maybe they not heard you.
No, the voice is there now, but it's okay. It's clear.
Okay. So you can read. You can read the questions.
Okay.
Yeah, this is English. This is for you.
Sir Rujen, I'm asking, sir, this year will you be able to survive the 3050 AED? Sir? 3050 AED. Actually, it will depend on, you see, like now it's really very, very tough especially in UAE. First, our house allowance
Yes.
is very up. Before we try to give like 600, 500 dirham, you can pay for a space.
Yes.
But now minimum is 900 to 1,000 upward. Especially when you are living in a partition, you need to prepare 2,000 francs, 2,000 dirham. Sorry,
In partition.
In partition.
That about giving allowance only for bed space, not for the partition, right?
bro. Not even best. They give you allowance only for for space, small space.
Yeah.
This one is not even best space, just small space.
Yeah, for the
So it's not
700.
really easy, bro.
So for you, is the 3,000 pets not survive?
No, 3,050 you cannot survive with this 3,050 in the UAE. In UAE now presently,
Even you single? You're single, right?
I cannot tell you I'm single. I cannot say I'm married because I'm a jovial man.
Yeah.
I like I like my body to be always slim like Spice now.
So,
Like Spice
so
now.
for you,
For me, the 3,050 is very less. Very less.
Very less.
Because if I pay my rent, transportation, I'm left with nothing. Not
Yes.
even including feeding and the one you need to send back.
Meaning-
we are not saving anything.
no saving but survival.
Yeah, you are right.
Yeah.
Like, okay,
So-
I can go to your
yeah,
question. Your
so-
question is talking about
yeah,
survival.
yeah, survival.
Yeah, no saving, but you can survive with that.
Yeah, you can send money for your family
Yeah.
in the Philippines, but you cannot.
Like to save.
Yeah, like to
You
save.
cannot save with that 3,000.
End of the day,
Nice,
for example,
very
for
less.
the end of your contract, you cannot save anything.
For sure. Very
So,
tough, eh?
yeah. Second questions.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Well,
a
we have
question.
more questions for him.
Even it's 20 question or one.
Question.
Okay.
Second question. Second question.
The second question, Serogen. Just a question. Is it good to work at the Innova company? Is it good? Yeah. For me, I say yes, it's good to work in
Okay,
Innova
good. Yes,
company.
yes.
For me.
Mm,
Why I say it's good?
this your opinion,
Yeah,
right?
my own
This-
opinion.
Yeah. Mm.
Why I say it's good to work in Innova company? Because in Innova, there are a lot of benefit we have from it.
Yes.
There are some company you work first, they will not give you insurance.
Insurance. Yeah.
And you know insurance
Yes,
is
very, very important.
Very important in the UAE. And some they don't even give transportation and accommodation, but Innova is doing that. Innova, why I say Innova is good, based on my experience in Innova, right? Innova is that type of a company, if you work like after your 2 years, you don't need to fight with anyone for your flight ticket and the rest. You just receive it with your, maybe this is end of your 2 years, the same month that you are ending your 2 years, you will receive your flight ticket and everything.
No any questions.
No question, you will not fight with anyone.
Yeah.
And Innova also, if you want to really enjoy Innova, it's good to have good boss, like in your location where you are working.
It depends.
If you are, it depends on your location. If you have maybe someone from Europe, some good-hearted people from Philippines, Africa, and even Indian and the rest, they can make you grow.
Yes,
you work
yes.
with them, they can make you
Yes.
grow in Innova.
Yes. It depends.
Because if you want to focus on Innova, in fact, I will advise everyone to join Innova. Innova is good.
yes.
But based on my knowledge, why some people they criticize Innova is not good. It depends on your location
Yes.
and
Superior.
your superior,
Yes.
who is your boss, your manager, your
Yes.
supervisor, and the GM, of course.
Yes. Guys, so now you heard that words from other nationality.
Yes.
Not for me and not for other Filipino Innovians.
Kasi pag first time ka, okay ano ba? Huwag ka munang mag-base sa sahod. Experience muna. Kasi si Innova is maganda magbigay ng sahod, hindi siya delay. Nasubukan na namin yung pandemic. Yung ibang company kasi dito nung pandemic is nagkaltasan ng sahod.
At saka sinasabi nila nun, parang budol, Innova. Sinasabi lang yan kasi nga, andyan pa kayo, stress pa kayo eh. Pero once na lumabas kayo ng Innova, napakagandang opportunity ang bibigay sa inyo ng Innova. Dahil kilalang kilala siya rito sa Actually, hindi ako matatanggap sa trabaho to, hindi dahil kay Innova. Innova talaga. Kasi di ba galing akong Dubai Metro. So under RTA pa rin siya. So si Innova, siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng opportunity para makapagtrabaho kay RTA.
Hindi, sa totoo lang, yung mga nag-apply ng Innova, gawin yung stepping stone. Kasi mahirap talagang makapasok sa UAE na may visa.
Lalo na pag tourist
Oh, kasi almost dito, tourist lang, mumurahin. Mahirap. So, hindi, totoo yun.
Sure.
It's same thing. We are talking about same thing also. So next question, this third question, the last question for you, okay?
Yeah. I'm 100% prepared.
So, before you join or apply to Innova, you are here already inside in the UAE, right?
Yeah.
Not in the
Not in my
Africa.
country, yeah.
Actually, you are from Abu Dhabi, right?
Yeah, before I was working in Abu Dhabi.
But same field.
Yeah, same
Hospitality.
field. Yeah, hospitality.
Okay. So, I have a question because some people ask question regarding for what type of interview did you experience when you joined in the Innova inside of the UAE?
Oh, okay.
Practical questions, or you have a written exam, or written exam first before you go to interview, or interview no exam? What the type of?
Yeah, that's a very good point.
Based on your experience.
Yeah, that's why I say it will depend on my experience in the UAE. If you come like a new joiner, and it also depend on grace. If God is with you, there are some interview you do without any question. You will just come.
Yeah.
First, they will look your physical appearance. If you are fit and your English, like your communication skill is there, you are good to go.
You meaning to say first impression last.
Your first impression, like when you meet the interviewer, right? It's good first. Your outfit,
Physical appearance,
Your
you mean.
physical-
Not the handsome, but
No,
the,
no, we are not talking about
Yeah,
handsome.
yeah,
Your
yeah.
physical
Your
appearance
feet and
and the
your-
confidence you have in
yeah,
you.
yeah.
If you have all that confidence, like for me, the time I joined Innova, I know there was a lot of questions they asked.
Mm-hmm.
But since I already have the experience in Dubai,
Yes.
and you know, there's one thing that matters. Also, if you already have the experience in
Yes,
Dubai,
in a
it's
good
very
country.
easy for you to go.
Yeah, okay.
But when you just come like a fresher in Dubai,
Yes, yes.
sometimes you find it hard
Yes.
because you don't know how to target the question. The
Yes.
question the interviewer will ask you. For me, it was very easy.
Yes. So what is the questions for you as a carpenter?
Yeah. Simple. The time I joined Innova, first they asked me how many years experience I have in the field.
The field, huh?
In the field, there
Yeah,
is
yeah.
no ask in UAE
Mm,
because they first asked me in the field before UAE.
Okay.
First, like back home, I have done this job back home like 13 to 14 years before joining UAE. Yeah.
It's very, very good.
And I did not even put my educational background inside because if I bring, maybe I'll be telling you about 20 now or 20 plus.
Oh, okay.
So based on the interview they gave me, they were like the interview they were asking on based on UAE experience, right?
Okay.
First, where have you worked? Like, have you worked in a hotel or
Okay.
resident, beach, and the rest?
Okay.
Yeah, that one also is like a point.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you have experience in
Yeah,
field.
if you have the experience in the field,
Yeah.
it's a point to you. But before, you know me, I work in a residential building.
Mm-hmm.
With all the experience I have in a residential building, especially when it comes to hotel, it's very hotel. There is nothing there.
Basic.
Yeah, it's basic for me.
Yeah, very basic. What's that?
Sorry guys.
Sorry guys, they have
Sorry guys,
some
we
call.
just have some call from. Oh, sorry guys, for the interruption. Since I work in a residential building for 3 years,
So
it was very easy for me
Yes,
to
yes,
communicate
yes,
with my
yes.
interviewer.
it's-
And lucky enough, my
no,
interviewer
no,
was not from Indian or Pakistan and the rest.
Yeah.
He was a very learned man from Turkey.
Turkey?
So, yeah.
Ah.
So I really have a very good time because the guy, the English,
It's
his
very
English
fluent.
was very
Yeah,
polished.
fluent, yeah.
Yeah, and it was very normal to me to communicate.
Yeah,
with
it's
him.
easy there.
Yeah. When I was talking with the interviewer, right? Question he asked me, I don't sure there is even one question I feel
Yeah,
because it was very easy. How many years experience here? Which expertise? I gave my expertise.
Okay.
Which location were you working in? Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah? I told him I was working in Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
He was really impressed when he heard Abu Dhabi.
Did they not give you any questions regarding for measurement? What is the length of like this? No, any?
No, when,
Because of experience that
yeah,
you have.
yeah, yeah. When the experience is
in your
there.
back home,
Yes,
in the
yes,
Africa
yes, yes.
and here to combine, no need to question anymore.
Yes,
Like
when the
that.
experience is there, it's very normal. That's
Yeah,
why I
yeah,
said
yeah.
it depends on your experience.
Yes.
I have one more point to add. Like the time I just joined UAE, right? The time I came to UAE, my first company I work. They asked me question until I was like asking, is this man for real? Or you want me to go back to Africa?
Yeah.
Because there are some way if you're asking someone question, you based on what you see on his CV, right?
Yes.
But you will not ask me something that is not even in my CV. But
Only-
lucky enough,
Yeah.
lucky enough, I was very smart on that. But for my greatest surprise, the time he was doing interviewer to his other nationality, like same nationality, majority of them they don't speak English. They
Yes.
will just bring them some
Yeah, yeah.
paper, pen, and pencil like that. Do you have a idea on this? Please, can
Yeah,
you
yeah,
sketch
yeah,
this?
yeah,
Tell
yeah,
us.
yeah.
And they will not take
Draw
up to
it.
2-3 minutes. They are
Yeah.
selected. But me, I spent almost 30 minutes with
Oh.
the interviewer
To-
who asked me this question. And for the best of my knowledge, what I even understand, what he was asking me as a carpenter, he was not even specifying on my fee. He was just like asking what he knows. Maybe someone told him, ask like this, ask like this. Yeah. For my best of my knowledge. They're lucky enough. I'm very smart now, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm from Africa, you know. We don't take last when it comes to things like this.
Yes.
We know how to play the game. That's what I was expecting because I took like the whole night. The time I got this
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
offer.
You prepared yourself.
Yeah, I
to
took the
interview,
whole night
yeah,
to
think.
go through
Yeah, yeah,
my
yeah,
field.
yeah.
Like I was asking
But-
myself some questions.
But in actual, it's
But
easy.
actually, yeah. That's why I told you it also depends
So
on the
it depends
grace.
on the
Yeah,
experience.
if the experience and grace.
Yeah.
If the grace is there, the experience. If the grace is not there, the experience is there. They will not still take you.
Yeah.
But if the experience is there, the grace also is there, bro. It's very easy for you to go.
Good combination.
Yeah, it's easy to you. That's why it's good. You always
So-
put God first in
so meaning
anything
to
you are doing in life.
so meaning to say, should you have experience and before you go interview, you should pray first.
Yeah, that's the first
Yeah,
thing you need
yeah.
to do, bro.
So
Even before you reach your hall,
Yeah.
you need to commit everything to God's hand.
Yeah.
It depends on your God, the one you worship. Then me,
Yeah.
I worship my Almighty God. I always, anything I'm doing in life, I always put Him first.
yes, God first, always,
Yes,
right?
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
And then of all Filipino in the Philippines, of course, that they want to come to Dubai
Yeah.
to join the Innova. So now you heard from other nationality, especially African. So
Yeah.
experience very important. Of course, the grace.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I said, if the grace is there, everything is easy to,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah, thank you for your.
You are most welcome, my
Yeah,
brother.
thank you for
And,
your time.
Yeah, thank you too.
Actually,
for
he
welcoming me.
also leaving because his time is finished already. Already 5 o'clock, right?
For sure.
Because we are 6 hours only because of Ramadan.
Ramadan for sure.
Yeah, that's why. So,
Okay, guys.
thank you. Baka naguluhan kayo mga pangat sa dalawang interview natin, no? Si Jerome at saka si Donaldson. So, yung nabanggit ni Jerome ng mga pangat na mura.
Bilihin naman, hindi ka naman magsisisi sa bilihin dito eh.
Oh, yun, mura.
Mura.
Ano, ang ibig sabihin na mura, yung mga bilihin, mga pangat. At ang nabanggit naman ni Donaldson na up or high.
You see, like now, it's really very, very tough, especially in UAE. First, our house allowance
Yes.
is very up.
Yun naman mga pangat is yung mga tirahan. Sinabi ng isa is mura, ang mga bilihin. Sinabi naman ng isa is mahal or up or high. No? So, totoo yun. Yung mga bilihin dito mga pangat, mura lang. Yung mga bigas, nakikita naman sa vlog ko siguro yun, kung napanood niyo yung mga vlog ko, no? Pag namamalengke tayo, pag bumibili tayo ng mga grocery, di ba? Mura lang ang bilihin ng mga pagkain, ng mga foods. But, pagdating sa tirahan, kagaya ng sabi ni Donaldson, yun yung mahal mga pangat. Yun, sana maliwanag mga pangat ha. Baka maguluhan kayo eh. No? Klaro ko lang mga pangat. So, at syempre mga pangat, kung umabot ka sa punto ng video ito, maraming salamat sa panonood. At sa mga nagbabalak na pumunta ng Dubai at UAE, lalo sa mga technician, mga pangat, syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi yung updated sa mga vlog or mga video o mga buhay-buhay natin dito sa Dubai. Kaya, think positive lang, good vibes. God bless you all sa ating pagsubok at tagumpay. To God be the glory. And siyempre mga pangat, God first, always. See you next one. Bye-bye!